It was long overdue to change the air filter. I tried cleaning it by vacuuming, but now it is time to get a new one. So I bought DNA filter. It is high flow and reusable. Therefore, in long run, this should be economical and more effective. On the package it says lifetime warranty everywhere, here in Japanese and here, but then on paper it says only for 2 years for off-road use. Let's see how long it lasts. Here are the contents. Let's check the weights. OEM is 201 grams and DNA with a still clean film wrapped 236 grams. It is a bit of bummer that 35 grams heavier than OEM. This is the actual filter bit. You can see through the light. Here's a close-up. The sponge is inside of mesh. As you can see, the frame is flexible. This filter part is actually not heavy. The weight comes from the metal piece that clips filter into the box. This is the OEM. The paper surface area seems larger, but very dirty and paper fibers are clogged, even though I have vacuumed a couple of times and reused it. On DNA website, they claim 98 to 99% efficiency and 34.15% increase of airflow compared to OEM. 132 CFM, I don't actually know what that stands for. And this is for MD47 300L or still 250L in Japan. Compared to OEM, it is only 10.18% increase. This is the grease it comes with to seal around the edge of filter. Just in case I clean around the box before installing. It's quite tight, which is a good thing. And this is how it fits. Another reason I chose this DNA filter is because I saw another YouTuber added pre-filter, which I think good idea. Especially when I go for group rides, I usually follow others, inhaling dusts. I don't know if this is the right sponge, but let's see. It is even tighter, but it clipped in fine. And the result? It now gives me more smoother power delivery throughout the whole rev range. I realized how much power I was losing.